Warm greetings of the day to all the listeners of Mr. John Infratech Creations. Do you know which is that one material which is essential to construct a strong house? Yes, listeners, you got it right. Cement. Cement is one of the main materials involved in the construction of strong foundation of a house. In the series of videos, how to select building material. In this video, we will talk about cement. Which cement should be used to build houses? This channel assures you that this video will be really helpful to all the new or fresh architects. So first of all, let us know what is cement. It is the binding material which keeps roadie and gravel binded together. It's a mixture of limestone, alumina and gypsum. And when it comes in contact with air and water, it gets activated and binds the other building material. How to select the cement for house construction? There are different brands of cement available across India. Some of the topmost brands are as follows: Ultratech Cement, ACC Cement, Ambuja, Prism, Bharat Cement, Ramco Cement and JK Cement. Next important pointer is cement manufacturing date. You have to cross-check the cement manufacturing date given on the cement sack and note that it should not be more than 90 days old. In case it is, the channel advises the listeners to go for compressive strength test and then take the cement into use. Now, we will talk about the cement sacks or the bags. Touch and feel the bags so as to identify if there are any knots of cement in it. The bags should be machine stitched, sealed, and not hand stitched. Last but not the least, it should have HDFC or plastic backing. Moving on to the next pointer, ISI 9001 mark. Take into use only those bags which are ISI 9001 certified or marked. Do not use local and uncertified cement bags to build your dream house. Cross-check the IS code. Every bag has an IS code just like ISI mark. For example, the bags of OPC 43 grade has the IS code as 8112. For OPC 53 grade, the IS code is 12269. And for the PPC, IS code is 1489. And for PSC, the IS code is 455. Now, do you know that we can identify the cement by the color of the bags? It goes something like this. The OPC bags are green color, the PPC cement bags are red in color, and the PSC bags are orange in color. Next important point is the cement setting time. Every type of cement has its own setting time. For this, we can ask for test certificate from the dealer from which we can check the initial and the final setting time of cement. Time of setting can also be cross-checked as per IS code, which is 7 days. After ensuring the setting time, then only buy the cement from the dealer. Let us now know about different types of cement. The first type is OPC, which stands for Ordinary Portland Cement, where Portland stands for the place where the cement was first discovered. It comes in 3 grades: grade 33, grade 43, grade 53, which depends upon the quality of cement. Next is PPC, which stands for Portland Pozzolana Cement. Next, PSC, that is Portland Slag Cement. Dear listeners, if you find the shared information useful, do share and like the video. And in case you are watching for the first time, do subscribe the channel for latest notifications. Moving on, after knowing the types, let us know about the difference among the different types of cements. OPC cement consists of lime, alumina and gypsum. PPC cement, instead of OPC, some amount of fly ash, approximately 15 to 35%, is added. This cement was discovered to save the environment. And in case of PSC cement, instead of OPC, some amount of slag, approximately 20 to 70%, which is used to make glass, is added. Now we will talk about which cement is to be used in various levels of house construction. Starting with the OPC cement, which must be put into use in RCC, footing, columns and roofing levels. Strength achieves quickly as it is the original cement. Next comes the PPC cement and the PSC cement, which is mostly used in masonry work, plaster, bricking, stone picking and other work. Its rate is low and the strength is achieved late. Now, very important question. What to do if OPC cement is not available in the market? Don't worry listeners, we have the solution. Use PPC and PSC cement in this situation. Tarai should be done for more days in morning and evening for at least 7 to 10 days. And don't forget to order the cement first from the dealer to avoid unnecessary delays in the house construction. That's all in this video. The channel hopes that the information shared in this video about cement would prove useful to all the listeners. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. If you wish to have information on any other related topic, share it by putting comments in the comment section. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. Take care and